Welcome to this front software tutorial. In today's fast-paced business world, efficient communication and team collaboration are crucial to providing exceptional customer service. Front is a powerful shared inbox and communication hub that helps teams streamline conversations, manage customer interactions, and automate workflows, all from one centralized platform. Unlike traditional email clients, Front goes beyond just managing emails. It unifies emails, chat messages, SMS, and social media conversations into a single interface. This makes it easier for teams to work together, respond to inquiries faster, and keep track of every customer interaction without cluttered inboxes or lost messages. So, whether you're a customer support team looking to improve response times, a sales team managing leads, or an internal team collaborating on projects, Front simplifies communication and enhances productivity. In this video, we'll guide you through how to set up, navigate, and maximize the features of Front to improve your workflow and efficiency. But before we get started, first let us know what is Front software. Front is a modern team inbox and customer communication platform that allows businesses to combine email, SMS, live chat, social media messages, and CRM integrations into one unified workspace. This means your team can manage all customer inquiries in a single, organized platform instead of switching between multiple tools. Unlike traditional email clients like Gmail or Outlook, Front is built for collaboration. Teams can assign messages, leave internal comments, automate workflows, and track customer history, all within the same interface. This helps businesses provide faster, more personalized, and more efficient customer support. Front is used by companies of all sizes, from startups to enterprises, and is particularly popular among customer service teams, sales teams, and operational departments. So now let's get started. So simply head over to their website, and from here you can try it for free. So simply sign up for an account, and after signing up, you will now be redirected to this page right here. So basically, this is how your dashboard will look like. So first, we have the main inbox. So this is what your inbox will look like. So to complete your setup, we have this setup guide right here. Simply click it. And from here, all you need to do is follow all of the steps right here, such as creating your first shared inbox, set up the rules for your first shared inbox. Now you want to understand front inboxes versus channels, connect your first shared channel, and invite your team. So to do that, simply click on this one by one. So let's say customer support, create shared inboxes for your team. On next, as you can see, Front has created our shared inbox right here, which can be located right near the left-hand side. So we have our shared inboxes right here for support, priority. So we'll see it right there. So again, to complete your setup, just follow all of the steps right here. So you'll need to do that yourself. So in this video, I'm just going to walk you through the features. So basically, this is your inbox. So just feel free to explore more. So you'll need to set up your accounts, such as, let's say you want to integrate your Gmail account right here, then you'll see all of your inboxes. Next, we have our calendar. You can see we have the calendar right here. We can add our Google Calendar or our Outlook calendar. So click right there, set this all up. And now you'll see your calendar integrated to the front app. So you'll see if you have upcoming appointments, meetings, or to-do list tasks. You'll see it all right here in your calendar. Next, we have the contacts. Um, Basically, it's like a CRM. We have the shared contacts right here, private contacts, auto-created contacts, and lists. And we have our accounts. So to add a contact, simply click here on Create. Fill up all of this information, such as their name, their email address, phone number, X handle, and descriptions. So just do the same for others. We have accounts too. Of course, you can create new accounts right here. Just add in their name, their description, their email domains. You can also add their photos right here. And next we have our analytics. So as you can see, this is how our analytics look like. So we can see our live dashboard right here. So basically, we'll see incoming messages, workload by inbox, all oldest conversations. We'll see inboxes that have been opened, waiting, unassigned, and oldest. Also see our workload. You can see team performance. Basically, all of the analytics, performance analytics are right here. Have the resolution, the tags. We'll see a bunch of different data right here, such as charts and graphs. We have the message templates, SLAs, customer satisfaction. We also have the self-service section that has our chatbots and knowledge base performance. And of course, we have our knowledge base right here. So if you want to get started with knowledge base, just click right here to learn more. How to get started with knowledge base. You can also add your articles right here. So basically, those are all of the features or what you can do in the Front CRM app. So just feel free to explore more about how you can use the features with your business needs. And again, just follow the setup guide to set up your inbox right here. So again, just follow this. We also have the advanced setup right here to create your tags, create routing rules. You can set shift schedules for your team, create message templates. So yeah, so just do this your own, explore on your own, and that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.